And we move on now to Donald Trump and his mounting legal woes. The former U.S. president has told a New York appeals court that he cannot find an insurance company to underwrite his bond to cover a nearly $500 million judgment against him in a civil fraud case. The amount of the judgment with interest exceeds more than $464 million. And the GOP presidential nominee intends to challenge that judgment. But to continue his appeal in the case, he must pay the full amount in cash or a secure bond. Now, Trump has said it is practically impossible for him to post the bond. In fact, his attorneys say that they have approached more than 30 underwriters to back the bond without any success. They've even spent countless hours negotiating with one of the largest insurance companies in the world. Now, what Donald Trump is looking for is a bonding company that would guarantee the full amount to the New York court for a fee. Then that company would pay the court if Trump, in fact, loses the appeal and cannot pay up himself. Now, the former U.S. president is facing a Monday deadline, and the interest on the judgment is accruing by at least $112,000 per day until he actually pays. Now, if he fails to pay, Trump could see some of his real estate assets being liquidated. Now, Trump has asked the appeals court to pause the judgment or accept a bond of $100 million, which the court has outright rejected. In fact, earlier, Trump has already paid an $83 million judgment to E. Jean Carroll in that defamation case. He's already posted a bond, but just yesterday, Donald Trump faced another legal setback in one of the 4 criminal cases that he's facing. A New York judge denied Trump's bid to block 2 key witnesses from testifying in the hush money case. So will Donald Trump get some respite from his legal troubles, or are they only going to mount as the race for the White House heats up? As we've come to learn, with Donald Trump, it is never, ever that simple.